Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment. It's YO22 Excel BU06 Assessment2 Asset Depreciation and Investment. That's our assignment name. Project description is given here. You can read it carefully. I will start from the first step. Our first step, what is he asking? Start Excel download and open file name Excel BU06 Assessment Depreciation. Grader has automatically added your last name to the start of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are sorting your file. I have already opened my file. That's our file. So we will move to our second step. In our second step, what is he asking? That in the on the depreciation worksheet in the cell B7, use the straight line depreciation function to calculate the depreciation value of the equipment for the 1 year. Use the absolute cell references. Copy the function through the cell B13. So we will go to the cell B7. Here we will use straight line depreciation, that is SLN. Our initial cost is in the cell A3, while our salvage value is in the cell B3, and our useful life is in the cell C3. So we will close the bracket. In this way we have got our value, but we need to make these references as absolute. So when we drag our formula downside, the value will not disturb. So we will now make I copy the formula downside up to cell B13. That's our second step. In our third step, what is he asking? In the cell C7 to C13, calculate the cumulative depreciation value for each year. In the cell C7, reference to the current depreciation. Depreciation expense in the cell C8. So we will first go to the cell C7. Here in the cell C7, we will add the current depreciation which is in the cell B7. We will press enter. So we have got value in our cell C7. For C8, he is telling us in the cell C8 add the previous year accumulated depreciation and the current year depreciation expense. So what is he asking? We need to add the accumulative depreciation plus current depreciation, yearly depreciation. So we will press enter. So we have got our value in the cell C8. We will copy this formula up to cell C13. So in this way we have got our value in the our range C7 to C13. In our fourth step, what is he asking? In the cell D7 to D13, calculate the book value at the end of each year. Use the absolute cell references where appropriate to allow the formula to be copied. So we will go to the cell D7. Here we will put is equal to, and what we need to do, we need to find the book value. Book value is the initial cost minus an accumulative depreciation. So we will, that is our A3 initial cost minus accumulative depreciation, which is the cell C7. So we will press enter. So we have got our book value. We will make A3 as a absolute reference. So we will copy downside the formula. So our value will not be, or any error will not be shown in our formula. That's our step number 4. In our fifth step, what is he asking? In the cell G7, use the declining balance depreciation function to calculate the depreciation value of the equipment for 1 year. Use the absolute references where the appropriate. Copy the function to the cell G13. So we will go to the cell G7. Here we need to find the depreciation value, which is the DB. We will start our bracket. Our cost is the initial cost in the cell A3. What is the slowage? Slowage is in the cell B3, while our life period is in the cell C3. And what is the period? Period is in the cell F7. So we will press enter. So we have got our value in the cell G7. We will make the absolute reference to A3, B3 and C3. So when we will copy formula downside, these cells will remain the constant. So we will copy this formula up to some downside G13. So we have got the yearly depreciation expense for the 7 years. That's our fifth step. In our sixth step, what is he asking? In the cell H7 to H13, calculate the accumulative depreciation value for each year. In the cell H7, reference the current year depreciation expense. So we will go to the cell H7. Here is the G7 as a reference. So when we move downside, the current year and we copy the formula through the cell H13. For the cell H8, our formula will be is equal to G8 plus H7. That's our formula. We will press enter. So we have got our value in the cell H8. We will copy this formula up to cell H13. So we have got our values here. That's our for sixth step. We have total 15 steps in this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. When you complete this assignment will look like that. I will show you the assignment when it will be completed. I will show you the solution of this assignment. When it's completed, our two sheets look like that. First sheet, depreciation sheet, it's look like that, while our contest sheet will look like that. So if you want to deal for your complete course, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to deal now the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my WhatsApp barcode, which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you need help in any online course like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, you can contact me also. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.